So this is a monument in Bridge Street in Sydney, not far from Circular Quay, to this gentleman, Thomas Sutcliffe Mort, born England 1816, arrived Australia 1837, and he was a very prominent businessman, and he founded AMP, which is still going now. And he was also the first to make the shipment of perishable goods possible by refrigeration, which is all on that there. But the thing I like about this monument, so he died in 1878, this was erected in 1883. Massive big monument, but if I go around this side so you can have a better look, they also put a little bird on it. It's made out of whatever the same stuff his monument's made out of. That's very funny, there must be a story behind that. Oh, that's really cool. We'll go back in on him. I don't know if that was to deter birds or attract birds. Wrong kind of bird if it's going to deter them. Maybe he liked birds himself. Who knows? Maybe the people who made the statue had a sense of humour. But it's pretty cool.